Always wear eye protection, guys. This is what can happen. You're just mowing the lawn. Next minute, stone gets flicked out, bounces off a tree trunk, and nearly knocked me out. If I didn't have safety glasses on, like, I'd hate to think what would have happened. Anyway, we mowed on and got the job done. So yeah, safety glasses, guys, definitely at all times. I'd like to give a couple of shout outs to some other YouTube channels. Just keeping it to the Australian YouTubers out there in this shout out. The first one would be Cliff from Lawn Care Evolution. Keep up the great work, Cliff. I'm enjoying your channel, mate. No, it's all good. You're doing a good job, mate. The next one would be Clint from Camden Garden Solutions. He's from Camden in Sydney, New South Wales, southwestern Sydney. He's got a great channel, putting on some good content, high quality videos, heaps of information, advice. This is all free, guys. Like, mate, got to watch these channels. The next one would be Matt from MB Mowing. He's in the Southern Highlands of New South Wales, in the Mittagong Bowral area. Same with him. He's given out all this, great info, tips, tricks. You get to see it all happening, and check out his channel. That's MB Mowing. And last but not least would be Greenie, Stephen Green from Greenie's Mowing. He's in southwestern suburbs of Sydney in New South Wales. Yeah, he's got some good content on there as well, guys. Check out his channel, and we're just all sharing our tips and tricks, and it's all, helping each other out. That's what it's all about. Enjoy the rest of the video, and until next time, mow on, guys. Get